Hey everybody, I wanted to do a really short video to share something new with Microsoft Teams if you are on a Mac using macOS Sequoia. So that is the macOS 15 version. You can check that if you go into your Apple menu up here at the top, click About This Mac, and then under macOS, make sure that you're on Sequoia, which is 15 dot whatever. I'm running 15.2. So if you have this version, I've noticed that you have some new presenter overlay options that work in all of your meeting solutions, including Microsoft Teams. So this was something that used to be, kind of only for FaceTime calls, and I kind of played around with it a little bit, but now I've noticed that I can do it in Microsoft Teams as well. So let me show you what options we have now. So if I go and I share a screen, so I'm in a Microsoft Teams meeting, I go and share a screen. I'm just going to share my screen that's off to the side over here. The typical layout looks like this to your audience, right? You've got your screen up really big and you've got you over to the side in that gallery area. Well, now with Sequoia, if you go and move your mouse up to the top, get your menu bar, and click this little like a monitor with a person in the corner, you'll see that you've got several options across the top. Possibly, if you're like me, if you see several options, just scroll over using the arrow to Microsoft Teams, and you'll see a couple of options right here at the bottom. You see that I'm sharing this monitor in the Teams application. If I go and I drop down the CamLink 4K, this is my camera. This is where you turn on and off those auto reactions if you don't want like thumbs up bubbles and stuff like that. But check out this presenter overlay section. It's off right now. If I switch it to where it says small right here, you'll notice that my camera got replaced by a little like virtual camera icon, and I'm now in the bottom corner of my screen. And let me show you what the viewers see. So the viewers now see me in this bottom corner right here, and I've got that virtual camera. So it took me out of the gallery, it put me inside the presentation. Now, if I move over here, you can see that I can move myself around on that big monitor. So I'm just clicking myself and I'm moving myself anywhere I want on the screen. Now, I can't make myself bigger or smaller, unfortunately, with these presenter overlays, but I can move it into a different corner if I want to. And I really kind of like the look of this because, you know, it's like a circle and I'm kind of coming out of the circle, so there's like some depth to it. And I really like that for doing demos, if you want to be like in the corner and you're kind of doing your demo. The other presenter overlay that I found, if we go back up to the top and then we scroll over to Microsoft Teams, and instead of small, we're going to pick the large one. This kind of gives you like a view of like kind of like an anchor in a news show, right? So now I'm in the corner, you know, I can move myself over and I can kind of present what is on my screen over here next to me. And this, I think, would be really cool for PowerPoint slide decks. So like I'm going to bring up a PowerPoint and we'll just go ahead and make that full screen. And now I've got this this PowerPoint running that I can kind of go through and say like, all right, this is what we're going to talk about today. I'm kind of like along the side, kind of tilted over in my camera frame, but I can talk about like, all right, we're going to talk about quick access to commands and things like that. So if you want a little bit of a different layout inside of Microsoft Teams, if you're running macOS Sequoia, macOS 15 in Microsoft Teams, go ahead and use that new presenter overlay option at the top. It's provided by Apple, so I think it will work in any meeting solution. That's it for this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.